So students, I am Anju Mathur of Raval Convent School. Today I am going to explain you conjunctions. Introduction of conjunction. Objectives of conjunctions. Identify clauses and sentences. Use coordinating and correlative conjunctions correctly. Use subordinating conjunctions and conjunctive adverbs correctly. Use correct punctuation in sentences containing coordinating, correlative, or subordinating conjunctions or conjunctive adverbs. What is it? The word conjunction coined from the Latin word conjugere, join together. Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, clauses, and sentences like peanut butter and jelly. Key concept: linker or join words, scotch tape of the grammatical words, avoiding the text seems like bullet point and to make the text flow. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words which connect sentences, clauses, or group of words. Some learners know them as connectors or joining words. Sentence. Number of words forming complete statement. I want it. We enjoy playing cricket. Clause. A part of sentence having its own subject and predicate. Like, Michael has a friend who is rich. She is crying because you were unkind. Examples of conjunctions. If he doesn't change his attitude, he will lose his job. That is for condition. Even if you win $1 million, it doesn't mean you will be happy. It's for condition. I will lend you my car providing you promise to be careful. Again, condition. Elliot is tall and blonde, whereas his brother is short and has dark hair. This is for comparison. Mark's very tall, although he is not as tall as his father yet. It's for comparison. Although they are poor, they are happy. This is for concession. Even though he is rich, I am not sure that he is happy. This is for concession. Types of conjunction. Coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. One type of conjunction is the coordinating conjunction, which gives equal importance to the words or sentences that it connects. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions: but, or, so, and, yet, for, nor. Fan, that is for boys. I like coffee, but my wife prefers tea. Would you prefer coffee or tea? I have drunk 6 cups of coffee today, so I have got a headache. Examples. I take milk and sugar in my tea. He's 72, yet he still swims, runs, and plays football regularly. She must have been very hungry, for she ate everything immediately. Switzerland is not in the European Union, nor is it a member of NATO. Functions of coordinating conjunction. So, for showing the consequence of something, he was very hungry, so he ate all the cake. But, for contrast, I eat cake, but I never eat biscuits. I don't like them. For explaining why. More formal and less common than because. He is overweight, for he eats too many cakes and biscuits. And the same, similar, or equal, without contrast. His favorite snacks are cakes and biscuits. Examples. Nor, for two non-contrasting grammatical negative items, not plus not. He doesn't eat cake, nor does he eat biscuits. Or, before an alternative. Would you like cake or biscuits with your coffee? Yet, contrast, despite something. Synonyms, that is nevertheless, but still. He is overweight and feels terrible, yet he continues to eat lots of cakes and biscuits. He is overweight, but still he continues to eat lots of cakes and biscuits. Subordinating conjunctions. A subordinate clause can not stand alone as a sentence. A clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. A subordinating conjunction introduces a subordinate clause and joins it to a main clause. Subordinating conjunction. So, whereas, though, before, while, unless. where, because, although, after, whereas, though, before, while, unless, how. Subordinating conjunctions are conjunctions that connect a main or independent clause and a subordinate clause, that is dependent clause. The clause beginning with the subordinating conjunction is always the subordinate clause, which depends on the main clause and cannot exist without it. She is crying because you were unkind. Common subordinating conjunctions include because, so that, as, since, to express cause or reason, before, after, until or till, when, as soon as, whenever, while, to express time, unless, if, even if, in case, providing, to express condition, although, even though, whereas, to express contrast or concession. Examples: I wanted to get a huge TV, but I only got a flat screen. Billy Bob and Robert went to get ice cream, but it was all sold out. Sana got scared when she saw a ghost, so Sana ran for far, far away. Ben thought he was being funny, but he got a detention. Example of subordinate conjunctions. Pete didn't go to work yesterday because he was ill. For reason. As he was feeling unwell, Hafiz didn't go to work yesterday. That is for cause, reason, more formal than because. I will send you a map so that you can find the place more easily. For reason. I will call you as soon as I get home. Time. I will wait until you arrive. For time. Did he say anything before he left? For time. The baby gets very grumpy whenever he is tired. For time. Correlative conjunctions are pairs such as neither nor, not only, and but also. These conjunctions connect two balanced clauses, phrases, or words. The two elements that correlative conjunctions connect are usually similar in length and grammatically structured. Either or, we can go to either Murray or Khagan Narayan for our holiday. It's my final offer. You can either take it or leave it. Both and. Both cricket and football are popular in ComSets. Both English and Urdu are spoken in ComSets. Not only, but also. Not only he is a professional footballer, but also a successful businessman. Not, but. In sport, what counts is not the winning, but the taking part. Neither nor. Neither Norway nor Switzerland is in the European Union. Marriage is neither heaven nor hell. It is simply purgatory. Abraham Lincoln. Whether or. Whether you love them or hate them, you have to admit that the Rolling Stones are very popular. I am totally confused. I don't know whether I am coming or going. No sooner than. No sooner had I finished watering the garden than it started raining. I hope you are clear with the topic. Thank you.